Pencils are magnetic, what keeps us on the ground? Why do sponges soak up water?
Hey baby, do you know how to blow up this balloon
Is
with
every color
lemon?
the same? Where
If you
can I
don't
find
know,
the
then
answer?
let's start. Also they don't know. Let's get into it.
Right into science.
Welcome to lesson 1. Hey guys, now let's start. What we need is a bottle, sodium bicarbonate, lemons, and balloons. What first we have to do is cut this lemon open, turn it to juice, and put it inside the bottle. Once we did that, we'll show you once we do that, guys. Guys, what you have to spill this with lime juice and get the balloon you have and fill it with, and get the back and sodium bicarbonate and put it in the balloon. So now that you have this setup, you have to tip the balloon to release the sodium bicarbonate to fill up. This can cause a lot of carbon dioxide to come out, which can properly fill the balloon. Filling up with carbon dioxide, making it fill up. Wow! See videos like this, like and subscribe to me. Bye! Bye!